Forget expensive potions and magic pills. Let's talk about real liver support, the kind your body already knows how to do. We're about to unlock your body's natural cleansing power with a simple, effective 2-day liver cleanse. This isn't about deprivation. It's about resetting your system for optimal health and energy. Now, many people believe liver cleanses are extreme, unpleasant, and potentially harmful. While some extreme cleanses can be risky, a gentle, natural cleanse, done correctly, can be incredibly beneficial. This cleanse is not about drastic measures. It's about supporting your body's innate ability to heal itself. It's time to ditch the myths and embrace the truth. Your body is a powerful machine capable of incredible self-healing. This 2-day cleanse is like hitting the refresh button, helping your liver do its job even better. Get ready to feel lighter, brighter, and more energized. This simple program will help you understand your body better and give you the tools to feel your absolute best. Let's get started. So stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from healthcare. The liver is your body's powerhouse, working tirelessly to filter toxins, digest food, and keep your energy levels stable. It's constantly processing everything you eat, drink, and breathe, neutralizing harmful substances before they can harm your body. Think of your liver as a filter, constantly working to remove impurities from your bloodstream. But even the hardest working filters need a little help sometimes. That's where autophagy comes in. Autophagy is a fascinating process where your cells essentially clean house, removing damaged components and recycling them for energy. It's like taking out the trash and giving your cells a fresh start. This natural cellular rejuvenation process is key for optimal liver function and overall health. By activating autophagy, we can support the liver in its natural detoxification process, leading to a healthier, happier you. Ready to unlock your body's self-cleaning superpower? Here are 5 effective ways to activate autophagy, ranked from least to most potent. First, reduce your calorie intake. Even slightly reducing your daily calorie intake can encourage autophagy. Consider skipping a snack or having a lighter meal. Second, intermittent fasting. Taking a break from eating for 12 to 16 hours overnight gives your body a chance to focus on cellular repair and activate autophagy. Third, exercise physical activity, especially high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been shown to boost autophagy. Even a brisk walk can make a difference. Fourth, protein cycling. Alternating between days of higher and lower protein intake can help stimulate autophagy. And fifth, prolonged fasting. While it requires more commitment, a prolonged fast, 24 to 72 hours, can significantly ramp up autophagy, providing a deep cellular cleanse. This 2-day liver cleanse focuses on the power of prolonged fasting to activate autophagy and give your liver a much-needed break. Don't worry, we'll discuss the fasting protocol in detail, ensuring you feel safe and supported throughout the process. This 2-day cleanse gives your digestive system a break, helping your body focus on repair and detoxification. It's simpler than you think. Start by eating more whole, plant-based foods and less processed food. During the fast, stick to water, unsweetened herbal teas, and optional bone broth. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Consult your doctor before starting and stop if you feel unwell. You may notice more energy and clarity, signs your body is healing. After your fast, break it with intention. Choose nutrient-dense foods that support your liver and health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are packed with compounds that help detoxify your body. Pair them with clean, lean protein, organic chicken, or grass-fed beef, to rebuild and energize. This combination fuels your liver and metabolism, helping you feel your best after a cleanse. Make this a regular habit for lasting energy and well-being. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.